This is Bird Lover on Birdland Paradise. And I have an egg, and it was like colorful. It was all shiny because I got a special and I had to waste 5 feathers for it too. Man, I'm so excited. It was one of my stupid finch things, whatever they are. I wonder what the special... See, look at it. 1 hour. I bred that and that. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Look at it. It's like colorful. Oh my god, I want that. And I got a boring macaw. See it? Takes like 3 hours. I'm bored. I'm gonna just show you my cages thing. I got hummingbirds and bred it, and I bred that fully red one and that fully blue one. So these two. And I got this, which is gonna take like 5 hours. Then here's my annoying cockatiels. I put that new perch. I put that I put that hay perch. Okay, so yeah. And I got this lorikeet thing, whatever these birds are again. I can't remember now. But like weird. There it is. See it? Look at it. It looks so weird. It's like blue and yellow. Oh my god, it just looks weird. And I bred that, and I got the egg. It's like yellow. It's like a gross colors. And you guys drink. I don't like these birds because they are so pushy. And I got some new birds in here. So I got that, whatever that is. A Rudolph thing. Cardinal. A vulture clown thing. I named it funny too. Funny. And move. A puffin. It does not make noise. Oh my god. Noise. So, whoa! It's gonna change. Oh my god, look at it. Oh my. It looks so pretty. I can't wait. Look how it changed its colors. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't wait. Yeah, that's a weird macaw. And who cares about the hummingbird? Okay, guys, thank you for watching since 3 minutes, and there's nothing really to do. I might post a video about Birdland 2.0, but Birdland Paradise, I had to show you that really cool egg in the barn owl sleeping. Yeah. Anyway, alright, bye, you